Hello? Let's learn about Kyivan Rus. Kyivan Rus was a big kingdom in Eastern Europe. It started more than 1,000 years ago. Its main city was Kyiv. Kyiv is the capital of Ukraine today. But long ago, it was the heart of this old kingdom. Kyivan Rus began around the year 8 AD. A man named Oleg the Wise united many Slavic tribes. He made Kyiv the capital city. The people of Kyivan Rus lived near rivers. The biggest river was the Dnipro River. It helped people travel and trade. They traded with the Byzantine Empire and other lands. People built wooden houses and churches. They grew wheat, rye, vegetables, and fruits. They raised animals like cows, pigs, and chickens. The people of Kyivan Rus were Slavs. They spoke a language that is close to Ukrainian today. Many Ukrainian words come from that time. In the year 988 AD, Prince Volodymyr the Great became Christian. He brought the new faith to the people. They built the first Christian churches in Kyiv. Religion became a big part of life. Kyivan Rus had smart rulers. One famous ruler was Yaroslav the Wise. He made laws, built schools and churches. He helped the kingdom grow strong. The people made art, jewelry, and clothes. They wrote books and copied texts by hand. They painted church walls with bright colors. Kyivan Rus had a strong army, but they also wanted peace. They made deals with other countries. They married into royal families in Europe. After many years, Kyivan Rus became weak. There were fights between princes. Later, in the 1200s, Mongols attacked the land. Many cities were destroyed. Kyiv was burned in 1240. But the people did not disappear. The language, culture, and spirit stayed alive. Over time, new states grew on this land. Today, many people in Ukraine see Kyivan Rus as their history. Ukrainian language and culture come from that time. You can still visit old churches and places from Kyivan Rus. Kyiv is still a strong and proud city. It is the heart of Ukraine, and the story of Kyivan Rus lives on. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and write a comment. See you next time.